Hi guys, today I will show you how to make this beautiful ceiling decoration. You can hang it on the ceiling or on the wall from the ribbon as you wish. So let's see how to make this. So for this we need a square sheet. This is square, all four sides are equal, as you know what is a square. So just fold it like this to make a triangle, and fold it again to make another small triangle. The next step is to make 0.5 lines of gaps of 0.5 centimeters. So centimeter is this. I will show you like this, as you can see. So centimeter is this, and 1 centimeter is this. 0.5 is from this, starting from this to this. All lines are of 0.5 centimeters. I made points from here, here, light lines here, and just match and just make lines, straight lines of 0.5 centimeters. And the next step is in the closed part, this open, this is closed. So in the closed part, make a line like this, a small, a very thin line, not a very thick line. It's a very thin line like this, and we just need to cut from the opened side. Just take one line, and with the help of scissors just cut it. And I will tell you why I put that line, the thin line, because just leave it here and don't cut through the end. Where the line ends, just where the line starts, just stop cutting there. Start to cut from here and just leave here, and do it till the end. So to show you, I have done already this. These lines are all of 0.5 centimeters, and it's this, and line is, a gap is there. So now the next step is to open it. Open it nicely, open it fully like this, and the glue part now will come. Take any side at first, it's up to you, and just glue it. Start to glue. Take glue and put little glue in here, and with this just paste it. This thing is very thin. I can use my scissors to hold it like this. It will stick properly then, because my finger is thick. Scissors can do this job properly. So this I will do like this, and make sure you are doing the alternate. You are taking the alternate lines. Leave one, take this. Just stick it together. Like this. And take the next. Skip one, take the next. Put glue. Take this from this side as well and just paste it. And skip one, take the next. Just glue it. Put glue at the end and just stick it with this. And same here, skip one and take next. Stick it like this, one to one, take next, skip one, take next, and this side is almost done, only one is left after this. Just stick it together, and here also skip one, take next, put glue. That's done. When it's done, turn to this side and same pattern will follow here. Put glue, stick it together, put glue, stick it together, you can decorate this with on any occasion, festive occasion or birthday occasion. It's up to you. It always looks nice. And you can mix match the colors as well, yellow, green, orange, or any color of your choice that you like the most. And we are coming to the end of it. And it's almost, we are done with this. So it will come like, it will show like this then. It looks very beautiful and very nice. And when you hold it on the ceiling, you can hold it, you can put a dot here, a gap here, and you can stick it with a ribbon or tape it. It's up to you. It's your wish. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more very interesting videos, and comment also if you like, if you want me to do any art activity or any activity of your choice. I would love to do that. And please subscribe to my channel and to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rise Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Thank you. Bye bye.